What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be painting the brake rotors and calipers. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe so you can get notifications to all my videos and the bell. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is go ahead and put our emergency brake on. Then we'll go ahead and chock the wheels real good. Then we can go ahead and break loose our lug nuts. Go ahead and jack it up and put it on jack stands. Alright, then we can go ahead and take the wheels out, roll them out of the way, or you can put them underneath for extra protection. Alright, so we're going to paint the brake rotor and the caliper. You can go ahead and take off your calipers. There's just two bolts holding the calipers, one here and here if you want to take the calipers off. Then you'll be able to get better access to your rotors if they're really rusty and crusty, but these ones aren't too bad, so I'm going to be lazy and leave the calipers on. Alright, so let's go ahead and wear a mask and some safety glasses. So first things first is we're going to take our wire brush and we're going to brush all this loose rust off the rotors. Now once we've got all the loose rust off, we'll take some rough grit sandpaper and we're going to go around and get all the little spots that still have surface rust. And don't forget this edge up here too, all the way around the rotor. You can just spin it around as you go. We're just going to be sanding this and the edges. Don't sand this. This is your braking surface. Now after about 10 minutes, when you got it all cleaned up, let's go ahead and spray some rubbing alcohol and clean them. Clean it real good, get all that rust and all the grease off of it. We got it all cleaned up. Now let's go ahead and tape everything up. Let's go ahead and tape up our lug studs. I want to get paint on these. We're also going to want to tape here on the side where our brake pads are. We'll tape this up. And if you've got little boots on your slide pins, they should be around here. Go ahead and tape those up too. Okay, now we're going to want to tape our brake surface. We don't want to get too much paint on this. You can get a little on it. It won't hurt. It'll just rub off when you use your brakes. But this will make an easier cleanup, so we'll just go ahead and tape all the way around the disc. Alright, so it ain't got to be pretty, but as long as it's covered up, it's good. Now we'll get our paint. You're going to want to use a high heat paint. Sometimes I use this high heat barbecue paint. It works just the same as the automotive, but it's a little bit cheaper. I'll put some links in the description to some paint, but I'm going to do silver, so let's go ahead and shake it up real good. Now a couple of light coats is better than one heavy coat. So we'll just do a light coat. Now we'll wait a couple minutes. Alright, now we can put it on another second coat. Alright, I think 2 coats is good. Now we can take off all this tape. Alright guys, and here it is all finished up. Don't worry about any little overspray. That'll just rub right off with the brakes. But looks pretty dang good, and it'll protect it from rusting anymore. Alright guys, and that's it. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor and click the bell and subscribe so you can get all my new videos. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.